Example 3.2. For each diagram below, label the incident ray, refracted ray, normal at the point of incidence, and the angles. Okay, before we start, we want to identify and draw the normals first. Okay, we identify where is the boundary between two medium, and we draw the normals perpendicular to the boundary using dashed lines and label them. Okay, next we want to draw the refracted rays. Alright, first we have to analyze from the change in refractive index whether the light ray will bend towards the normal or away from the normal. And we also draw a dashed line to represent the straight position, the true direction of the light ray if there was no bending. For case A, when the light ray goes from a lower refractive index medium to that of a higher refractive index medium, we will expect the light ray now to bend towards or nearer to the normal. Okay, in the second case, we expect the opposite. So incident ray and then the refracted ray. For the second case, the light ray goes from higher end medium to a lower end medium. So the light ray, instead of going straight, it bends away from the normal. Right. For the third case, because the incident ray is along the normal, there's no bending. The light ray just goes straight through. Okay, so now we can label the refracted rays. In case C, there's no refracted ray, so no refraction because there's no refraction. Then we can now label the angle of incidence, I, as well as angle of refraction, R, both measured from the normal. In case C, which is special, the light ray goes straight through. The angle of incidence is 0 degrees because the incident ray is along the normal and there is no refracted ray at all. Okay. Next, we talk about the angle of deviation of a light ray. This angle is between the incident direction, that means a straight through direction, and its refracted direction based on the refracted ray. So for case A, if we go straight through, this is a direction, and the refracted direction is this. So angle between these two is the theta, angle of deviation. Okay, similarly, you can label that for B. But for C, the light ray, there's no change in direction, it just goes straight through. So there's no angle of deviation. Or angle of deviation is 0 degrees.